the inner diameter, okay, diameter is being given of a cylindrical wooden pipe. So the structure is cylindrical, is 24, and the outer is 28. Outer is 28, both are in centimeters. That's good. The length is 35. Find the mass of the pipe if 1 centimeter cube of the wood has a mass of 0.6 gram. So that's density. I hope you guys know about density. So we have been given what? We have been given outer radius. So we'll start with outer, which is outer diameter by 2, which is 28 by 2, that is 14 centimeter. Then move on to inner. Inner radius is diameter in by 2, which is 24 by 2, that is 12 centimeter. And next is the length, the height actually. Height, because we are talking about a cylinder, is it not? 35 centimeter. And the density at last. So we have been given the density as 6 by 10 grams per 1 centimeter cube. So now what is that we are looking at? We are looking at a pipe. So we are looking at a pipe which has outer and inner circular structure, and it has a height, right? Okay, so this is your pipe. So remember, the inner part is absent. Mathematically, what does it mean? The inner part is missing means it has to be added, subtracted, multiplied, or divided. Yes, the inner part has to be subtracted from the outer part. If you understand this, then rest of it is just a matter of a good calculating habit. I'll show you what I mean. That is, so now the working is volume of the cylinder. Always start with writing down the volume, area of the circle into height. And now we have volume of the pipe, which is equal to volume of the cylinder, that is outer, minus volume of the cylinder, that is inner. So volume of the cylinder, that is outer, is pi r square out into h minus pi r square in into h. So my question to you guys is, why is that h have not written any subscript like out and in and all of this? H is both same in both ends. As you can see, the pipe has the same height from here till there. It doesn't matter if it's inner or outer. It's flat, right? At both ends, so it is the same. So now the best thing to do is taking common. So what is common in all of this? Pi, correct? And yes, even the height is common. So what is left out? Yes, in the first term it is correct. And what is the symbol over in the middle? Minus, is it not? And what is the variable out there? The last term, that is in and square, closing the brackets. And now we have 22 by 7 into height, which is 35, into the outer radius. Outer radius is 28. Sorry, radius. That is not 28. 14 into 14 minus 12 into 12. That's why it's always better to have a diagram. So you look into diagram for information. So what and all can we cancel? Yes, 7 ones are 7 fives are. So this is 22 into 5, that is okay, let me write it as 22 into 5 itself, and this is 196 minus 144, and I'll write 5 as, don't mind, 10 by 2. So 10 1 5 2 ones are 2 11s are, so this is 110. I know it's easy to multiply also, but again I'm just making you guys used to all of these ideas. So this is 5 and sorry, not 5, this is 52, yeah, correct, 52, and multiplying this will give us they won't find the mass, right? So let's keep this. So centimeter cube. This is not the final answer. Let's not bother with that. The final answer, that is here. Now the mass of the pipe is given by density into volume. So density is 6 by 10 and the volume is 110 into 52. So this is 0 0 and we have 66 into 52. 66 into 52. 3432. 3432. So many grams. Okay, so this is in grams. So the answer will be in grams, centimeter cube, centimeter cube. So everything is confirmed. And at last you can multiply things. Okay, you can hold it till the last moment. And now, how do you find the mass in terms of kg? So mass in kg would be by dividing with 1000. So this will be 3.432 kg. And if you want to write the answer, mass of pipe is equal to 3.432 kg. And this is your answer.